Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to set custom live wallpaper on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store. Now from here, just search TikTok. Now from here, just install TikTok. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Now from here, just open this app. Now from here, just tap on the profile icon at the lower right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on the three lines at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. Now from here, tap on Find Wallpapers. Now from here, scroll down and select the video you want to set as your custom live wallpaper. We will select this one. Now from here, just tap on the share button. Now from here, swipe from the right to the left and select Set as Wallpaper. Now from here, tap on Install. Now from here, just install TikTok Live Wallpaper. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Open TikTok to set wallpaper. Now as you can see, this is the video we have chosen to set as our custom live wallpaper. Just tap on it. Now it will take a few seconds to download the video. Now from here, tap on Set as Wallpaper. Now from here, tap on Set Wallpaper. Now from here, you can either choose Set as your home screen wallpaper, or you can choose Set as home screen and lock screen wallpaper. We will select Set as home screen wallpaper. Now from here, just go to your home screen. Now as you can see, this is how you can set custom live wallpapers on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.